How to redeem Genshin codes on mobile. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. In this video, I will guide you how you can redeem your Genshin codes on mobile. Genshin Impact is an action role-playing game developed by MiHoYo, published by MiHoYo in mainland China and worldwide by Cognosphere. If you want to redeem Genshin codes, then open up any web browser. Now search for Genshin Impact Redeem. Tap on the website of Redeem Code. That's going to take you to genshin.hoyoverse.com. Here, you first of all want to make sure to log into your account. Enter your username or email, then enter your password and tap on the login option. Once you have been logged in, tap on the drop-down menu to select your server. Once you have selected your server, enter your character nickname. Then you will have to enter your redemption code. After that, tap on the redeem option. After redeeming a code, you will receive the redeemed item via in-game mail. Check in-game to see that you have received it. Pay attention to the redemption conditions and validity period of the redemption code. A code cannot be redeemed after it expires. Each redemption code can only be used once. The same character cannot use redemption codes of the same type more than once. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.